Hi, I'm Rinka. Welcome to Basic Tai Chi for Beginners Lesson 4. This time, we will be practicing the first form of the 24 Form Tai Chi, the beginning form. It may seem like a simple movement, but it is very important to understand the basics of Tai Chi. To make it easier for you to practice with this video each day, I will give you an explanation after practice. Now, let's get started. Stand relaxed. Imagine that you are suspended from the sky by a single thread from the top of your head. Feel your energy sink into your soles. Spread your left foot shoulder width apart. First, let's practice the arm movements. Slowly raise your arms to shoulder height. Slowly lower your arms as if you were trying to push a table right below your stomach. Make sure your fingertips are facing forward. Relax your hands and repeat. Raise your arms to shoulder height. Loosen your shoulders, elbows, and wrists and press down lightly. Relax your hands. Raise your arms as if gently pushing up the air. Loosen your shoulders, elbows, and wrists and press down lightly. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Loosen your shoulders, elbows, and wrists and press down lightly. Relax your hands. Next, we practice full body movements. Raise your arms to shoulder height. While making horse stance, press down lightly. Relax your hands and repeat. While standing up, raise your arms to shoulder height. Loosen your shoulders. While making horse stance, press down lightly. Relax your hands. Raise your arms as if gently pushing up the air. Press down lightly while feeling your energy sink into the soles of your feet. Relax your hands. Raise your arms, being aware of the point below the navel. Press down lightly, being aware that the top of your head is suspended from the sky. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Press down lightly, feeling your energy sink into your soles. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Press down lightly with head suspended. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Press down lightly, feeling your energy sink into your soles. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Loosen your shoulders. Press down lightly. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Loosen your shoulders and press down lightly. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Press down lightly with your head suspended. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Press down lightly. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Loosen your shoulders and press down lightly. Relax your hands. Raise your arms. Slowly lower your arms. Bring your left foot back and both feet together. Alright, well done! To relax the entire body, kick lightly at angle and swing your arms like this. Alright, that's all for practice. You did well! Next, I will explain how to do beginning form. First, let's learn the correct hand form. Put out both hands and spread your palms firmly. Then, loosen them. The four fingers should be slightly spaced out. The space between the index finger and the thumb should be open like this. Please practice 24 Form Tai Chi with this hand. Now, let's break down beginning form. Please copy my movements. Stand relaxed. Loosen your shoulders and imagine that you were suspended from the sky by a single thread from the top of your head. Feel your energy sink into the soles of your feet. Loosen your shoulders and be aware of the point below the navel. Calm your mind. Hold this image throughout your Tai Chi practice and even in your daily life. This will not only make you healthier, but also help you maintain a beautiful posture. Now, slowly raise the heel of your left foot, and then open two shoulder widths apart, and slowly land toes first, then heel. Be aware of the point below the navel. Raise your arms to shoulder height as if you were slowly pushing air up with the back of your hands. Loosen your shoulders while making horse stance. Press down lightly as if you are trying to push a table right below your stomach. Make sure your fingertips are facing forward. This is the end of beginning form. I am going to tell you 3 important things about this movement. The first is correct posture. Both this standing posture and this mid-back posture, called horse stance, should be carefully practiced. The correct posture makes a big difference in health benefits. Horse stance is the most important posture in Tai Chi. If you do not know, please check Lesson 1. The second is to use the whole body. Since this is a movement to press the opponent down, the arm and leg movements naturally begin and end at the same time. If you actually do it, it would look like this. If the timing of arm and leg movements are off like this, you will not be able to hold the opponent firmly. In Tai Chi, it is very important to match the movements of the upper and lower body and to use the body as one. Third, use awareness, not force. This is another important point of Tai Chi. Therefore, loosen the shoulders, elbows, and wrists in this order and lightly press down with awareness without using force. Tai Chi is a martial art, not gymnastics or dance. So, practicing with an understanding of these basics is the fastest way to good health. Without knowing these basics, just imitating the outer movements is not real Tai Chi and will make it difficult to achieve the wonderful health benefits of Tai Chi. I am Japanese, but I have learned a lot from famous Chinese masters. Since Tai Chi is a Chinese culture, there were many things that were difficult for me as a Japanese to understand. That is why I understand which parts of Tai Chi are hard for foreigners to understand. I have taught many students for a long time and have established a practice method that is fun and efficient. I will tell you the real Tai Chi as clearly as possible. I believe this will make you feel amazingly healthy. I will continue to make lesson videos so that you can enjoy learning the 24 Form Tai Chi. Please look forward to it. By the way, I always recommend my stretching before practicing Tai Chi. Check out the link in the description for my stretches. My stretches not only relax the whole body, but also includes elements of Tai Chi and Qigong, so if you continue them every day, you will always be in good health. Practice with me and stay well for life. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you soon! Bye! ありがとうございました。